So we're going to type in tinnitus. And the first option is tinnitus relief. So I'm going to click on that. The first one, actually the first two ones, they are about the best tinnitus relief sound therapy treatment over 5 hours of tinnitus masking. It's a 5-hour long video. And if we continue, you'll see more of these videos, such as this one. Tinnitus Silk, high range noise masking for relief. So this guy is explaining a little bit about himself and his company. And then we have basically 10 hours of sound, this sound. Now, the problem with this is that many people think, okay, I type in tinnitus relief and I have all these relief sounds here. I'm just gonna listen to them and that will make my tinnitus go away. But that's actually not the case. Because if you mask tinnitus all the time, you're never going to accept the sound and habituate to it.